Looking at a D file and your text editor treats it like a plain document? This is actually source code written in the D programming language, a systems-level language designed as a modern evolution of C++. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll get you set up to read, compile, and run these programs. Final step preview. We will conclude by utilizing a comprehensive file inspection solution to instantly resolve the D error, a tool also capable of managing numerous other file types. D files are source code files written in the D programming language, a systems programming language designed as a practical modernization of C and C++, with features including garbage collection contracts, built-in testing first-class arrays, and object-oriented and functional programming capabilities. D source code files use plain UTF-8 text encoding following D language syntax with C family statement structure. The language features modules, imports, classes, structs, templates, mixins, and compile time function execution. Files use .d extension and compile to native machine code via DMD, LDC, or GDC compilers. There's a direct software link between D and D language compilers by D Language Foundation. Opening this file with an unknown Windows program poses a critical security risk. Windows allows previewing, but meaningful behavior depends on the appropriate runtime. We are checking the software landscape. Right-click your D file and select Open With. If D Language Compilers is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We need to check every possibility. If you still can't open the D file, it's okay. Since this D format is so specific, basic errors are common. Don't worry, we just need to verify a few key details before moving on. Let's go to our checklist. First, opening and reading code. Open the D file in any code editor with syntax highlighting support, such as Visual Studio Code, with the D language extension, Sublime Text, or Vim. The syntax highlighting provides color-coded display of keywords, types functions, and string literals for easier code comprehension. Next, compiling D source code. Install the DMD reference compiler from dlang.org. Open a terminal, navigate to the file directory, and compile using the command dmd file name.d to produce an executable. For optimized builds, use LDC, the LVM-based decompiler, with LDC2 ofilename.d for better runtime performance or runtime. Finally, debugging and development. Set up a complete D development environment in Visual Studio Code by installing the D language extension and Code D plugin. These provide auto-completion error, highlighting debugging integration, and dub package manager support for building and managing D language projects efficiently. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.